Today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is How Police Respond to a Disruption at a Timberlake Concert.
On November 8th, 2024, officers were asked to remove a man after he shoved an usher during a Timberlake concert.
I'm 25, what are you doing, Timberlake? 119. Brett, listen, you're gonna make this easy or make it hard?
Hey, you brought it on yourself. What'd you do, sir?
Listen, they want you out, so we gotta take you out.
What am I out for?
You're not being arrested,
What
but
am
we
I
gotta
out for?
keep walking.
I'm out for. I'm out for what?
You can't produce a ticket, they want you out. That's it, that's the end of the story.
What am I out for, sir?
You're being belligerent.
No,
You're
no,
drunk.
no, there's no belligerent, sir.
I know. So,
Take me to jail then.
let's go.
You want to take me to jail?
I don't want to.
We don't want to.
No, okay, here we go. This is scary, boys.
Listen,
my rights, my rights.
I don't. Yeah, you're right. But
No, what are my rights?
your rights are to walk out of this building right now.
Right, listen, it's easy. I don't want to take you to jail, dude. I don't want you to end this night like this.
I'm
So let's just keep walking.
I'm scared right
I
now.
know you're scared, but let's just keep walking.
You can't go that way.
No, he's with somebody, but she's not coming in.
I'm a Trump supporter. Trump. Where do I go, guys?
This way.
Is this Trump or is this Biden?
We're gonna go see Trump.
Trump, okay,
Keep walking straight. Just walking straight.
Is Biden?
This way.
Biden. Okay, no, Biden.
Keep walking. Come on.
No, are you Biden?
Keep walking.
No, let's go. Let's go, Brett. Come on. Let me go. Oh my God. I'm scared right now. This is scared for our country. Oh my God. I'm scared for my what was my son?
Stop making it hard. Stop making it hard, dude.
Walk. No. Go home.
Why am I scared? So why am I being stopped?
You're obviously not scared because you're acting like an idiot. Let's go, man.
You're almost there. Just get out of the building.
No, but why am I being on the building?
They don't want you.
Why am I leaving?
Just keep walking, dude. Just keep walking. Don't make it harder than what
Why
it
is
is.
it asking me, guys?
What are you asking me? Let's go.
Why am I leaving?
Because they don't want you here.
Why?
Because you're acting like this.
Because
You're acting like a child. That's why.
sorry, guys. I'm embarrassed.
Straight.
I'm embarrassed to be an American. I'm embarrassed to be American. I'm embarrassed to be American, you guys. I mean, if you guys have any heart,
They're giving you a lot more heart than what somebody else
what
does.
does the Constitution stand for? Where do they gotta go?
This way, this way.
Show me out here, boys.
After this, the officers weren't giving the man any more chances.
Come on, man. Come on.
Don't push me.
Come on.
Push me. We gave you the opportunity to walk away. I'm leaving.
And now you're going to jail.
No, I'm leaving now.
No, now, see? We gave you the opportunity, buddy.
You're leaving. I told you.
Relax.
Stand up.
Relax.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stop.
What did I do, guys? I'm confused. I'm confused as to what I did. What did I do, guys? You guys are killing me. Oh my God. No.
Stand up.
What? Ow. Ow. No. Oh my God, you're hurting me. What did I do? Okay. Oh my God.
What do they do? They gotta bring me over or something? You almost made it.
Stay over to the right.
You okay?
I'm done. I'm done. Stop. I am
He's trying to kick. Stop. Stop. Relax.
I am. Oh my God. This is, I'm gonna call the cops right now. Do you understand what you're doing? I play professional hockey. Like, kick me again. I'm in the charge. You understand that? Stop kicking me. I'm done. Stand up. I gave my. I'm not doing anything. Stand up. I gave my gun to the country.
Let me.
You want to play piece?
No,
my God.
Relax. Hey,
Oh my God.
Brett. Brett, stop being ridiculous. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna walk. Come on.
No, I'm not.
Just trying to kick.
You're gonna kill me.
Stop. Listen. Don't make it.
No. Chris, you got a car over here? Bring your car over here, will you? No, I'm not watching. Call the cops.
Where are they?
No. Stop kicking. I'm done. I'm done.
Listen, you're done now? Right. Stop kicking, dude. Relax. Stop.
A lawsuit. You guys have a lawsuit.
Okay.
You wait till a Congress beats on your ass.
Okay, no
This is
problem.
unbelievable.
Just relax. You're making it worse.
I've done nothing. I've done nothing but
Making it
abide
worse.
by you.
Okay, so abide now.
Yeah,
We're gonna walk to the car.
I'm not walking.
See, so you're not abiding.
You're pulling me, and you're ripping my arms
nobody's
by
ripping
my
arms.
side,
You're not-
and it's killing me.
You're trying to kick these.
No, you're not. You asshole.
Relax.
Do you know what?
It's not too many videos that pretty much I have nothing to say. Like, there's not too many videos where I'm just so like wrapped up into the video to where I really don't have anything to say. This guy is drunk, he's obnoxious and everything. It's like, damn, man. Concerts are great, man. Especially, come on, man. Did you see the hallway? You got nothing but ladies there, man. Go have a good time. It seemed like probably he's by himself, or maybe he got a homeboy or something with him or something. You go, hang out. There's nothing but feminine energy around. Justin Timberlake is there. You know the ladies is popping out for JT. You know they popping out. So what's the problem? I don't see what the problem is. How can't you go find, go hang out? But no, you want to sit there and be obnoxious, bother everybody, and be an asshole. You can't even walk. Simple. We're not trying to arrest you. Just leave. That's it. You want to keep stopping, so the cops got to push you. And it happened a couple times. I mean, I would have gave him about maybe, all right, you did it once. All right, push. You know what I'm saying? You do it again, your ass is, I'm not going to keep playing these games with you. These cops were very lenient, you know? A lot of these guys, they working overtime. They doing, concerts and special events and stuff like this. They're like special assignments. You know what I mean? It's fun. The cops love doing work like this, or, basketball games and sporting events. Like, most of the cops love doing those special assignments because you're not dealing with the same BS, and you get to watch a concert. You know what I mean? It's cool. But dealing with people like this just makes it miserable for no reason. This arrest is completely uncalled for on his part. You could have just left, man. But no, you want to be an asshole.
I will what?
Okay, relax.
You what?
Let's go. Relax.
No. You don't understand who you with.
Right, I'm sure there's someone recording.
You know who you
Let's go.
with.
I'm gonna put you in the car.
With me.
Okay.
No. I'm a fair player. I played professional hockey.
So that's
yeah.
Walk to the
I was drafted hockey.
Relax.
No. You don't know.
Brett, dude, listen.
No.
You got so many charges right now, bro. Relax.
Give it to me.
You keep
What? Guys,
why do you want to ruin your life like
no. You ruined my
Okay, relax.
No, guys.
Stop.
Hey,
Stop. Stop.
Pull me.
No, we're not pulling you. We're just holding you.
No,
You're trying to kick us. You're trying to kick us. We're just holding you. Calm down.
No,
We're
guys,
almost there.
I cannot wait to
Okay, that's fine. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, guys. Guys, I'm innocent.
Okay, are you gonna walk to the car?
I'll walk to the car.
Are you gonna
Walk to the car. Let's go.
Okay, everything's on body cam.
Yeah.
You understand that?
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
We're asking you to walk to the car.
Absolutely, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
You're gonna
Let's
walk
go.
to the car. Okay.
Absolutely. Let's go.
All right, hold on. We're gonna lift you up. Okay.
Yes.
Sit up there. Let's put him on his knees. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring your knees to your chest.
No.
Bring your knees to your chest.
Guys, hey, let's talk right now.
Bring your knees to your chest.
No.
I'll talk to you in the car.
No, we won't. No, we won't
We're
talk.
not doing this. We're not.
No, we won't.
You don't
do this.
decide.
You haven't asked me to talk.
We're gonna talk in
You
the car.
haven't asked me to
We're
talk.
gonna talk in the car.
No.
You said you were gonna help. You said you were gonna buy. You said all this stuff. Those are your words.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the car.
Have you asked to talk? Have you asked to talk from the beginning?
Stand up.
Have you asked to talk from the beginning?
Let's stand up.
Sit up. No. I'm not asking. Oh my God, they're ripping me. Oh my God. Ow. Oh my God.
You're good.
Let's relax.
Oh my God. Okay, guys. This is unbelievable.
Don't pull away. Okay, don't
You know
pull.
you're
It's fine. Don't pull away.
I'm about as respectable as class citizen as the last citizen you've ever met.
Thank you.
Republican, badass, Scott, Democrat.
Relax.
Get the cameras here, boys.
Okay.
You guys are on.
You're clear on this side. The other side has his wallet in his front.
Army check anything.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Just check his crotch.
Give me his stuff.
Hey guys, throw me behind jail.
Calm down.
Throw me. Hey bud, hey, did I beat you up?
No, you kicked us.
Tough guy.
You kicked us.
Look at your massage and your. Did I beat you up?
Sit down.
Massage my mustache.
Relax, okay?
Holy fuck.
With your face?
Yeah, you asshole with the face.
No, he's okay.
I mean, Haggard does have. I don't like Haggard.
You guys are killing me right now.
He was charged with trespassing, resisting without violence, and battery on a Leo.
Let's go.
Can't control your liquor, man. And then you think you're somebody because you played professional hockey. Who gives a crap? That's the problem. They're like, no one cares who you are. You know, we see it in a lot of professions too. You know, it's like, especially when you're in a job where like it's so like it's your way, you know, and you have a lot of control. Like we see it a lot with law enforcement jobs, military, whatchamacallit, whether they're a doctor, a lawyer, or nurses, you know, they make it known, oh, I'm so and so. Outside of the scope of your job, no one gives two craps. All right, no one cares. You're a regular person. No one cares. You could be politician, whatever. You like, unless you big time like the president or vice president or something like that, you know, where you're recognizable. But because you're your town mayor, nobody gives a crap. Honestly, no one cares. No one cares. Nope, no one cares. You know, it's just yeah. Oh well, another regular video. A bunch of idiots. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hype the video. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can send a super thanks, a super sticker, or look in the description section where you will see links to our memberships, YouTube membership, and our Patreon. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Thanks for your support.